We're back in xplane 69420 for another video. Sorry, this is the last video of the week that is on my tab is 6. I know you guys want to see xplane 11 gameplay, and that will be coming soon. We'll be reviewing a Concorde. But today, right now, we're in a cockpit. Why the fuck can I use yaw dampers? Shit. Alright, let's just take off. I don't give a shit. So, you kind of just fucking blast like that. So, this helicopter is a stinky, weird helicopter. Because it's kind of a weird helicopter in means to control it. So let's just try to take off. Oh lord. Oh lord. Okay, we kind of got out. We're kind of in the air. We're kind of spinning. We're kind of spin. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, god fucking damn it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh bruh. Alright, we're going down even though we're going up. Alright. We're up. We're going up. Wow, I'm like super good at flying helicopters, guys. I should be a helicopter pilot. Alright, let's try to put this thing on the ground. Let's try to put this thing. Oh shit. Alright, let's just crash. We're just gonna go down. Okay. So we died. Rectal wart. So we're just gonna retry. There is rudder. It's really heavy rudder. Oh, brake auto turns off. Nice. As we can see, we're spinning. So we use the yaw, or not the yaw. Master caution just lit up. Ooh, we're stable. Alright, so let's say we're ready to go down. Point our blades down and we lower the throttle. Oh! No, we don't. And we're down. Wow. So. Oh, there's a heavy. Nice. This is, I think, a light. Let's see where this. Are they normal spoilers or they? What the fuck? Oh, they're right there. Oh. Does this have Forgot what they're. Yes, it does. They're down. Okay. So we have bombs. Just go.
Monkey.
Oh shit. V1. Let's rotate. We're not rotating. There, okay. So we have bombs. Carpet bombs.
Yeah,
you see they're going down. But we also have missiles. So thank you guys for watching this video as we slowly crash. Please go check out some of our other videos. Been trying to do some different types of content here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.